Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss about contact process. Contact process is used for the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. As you know that sulfuric acid is known as the king of chemicals. Sulfuric acid is also known as oil of vitriol and the chemical formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. It is a colorless to slightly yellow viscous liquid that is soluble in water at all concentration. Sulfuric acid has many applications such as in the manufacturing of fertilizers, detergents, pigments, explosives, and in the chemical synthesis of various compounds. One of the most significant uses of sulfuric acid in the production of phosphate fertilizers, where it reacts with phosphate rock to produce phosphoric acid, which is a key component in fertilizer. It also used in lead acid batteries as an electrolyte. Due to its highly corrosive nature, sulfuric acid must be handled with extreme care and appropriate safety measures should be taken when working with it. Direct contact with sulfuric acid can cause severe burns and damage to skin, eyes, and respiratory system. So, protective gear and proper ventilations are essential when dealing with this chemical. Let's talk about contact process. Contact process is widely used industrial method for producing sulfuric acid H2SO4 from sulfur dioxide. In the very first process and in the first step, sulfur combustion takes place. Sulfur is burned in air to produce sulfur dioxide. S plus O2 when combined together it form SO2. In the first chamber, that is the furnace. In furnace we are adding dry air with sulfur, and when sulfur and dry air combine together they form SO2. This SO2 moves to converter. In the second step we are using vanadium pentaoxide as a catalyst and we are taking the temperature 450 degrees centigrade and pressure of 2 atm. And in third step, that is absorber, where we are treating SO3 with concentrated sulfuric acid. When we treat concentrated sulfuric acid with SO3, it converts it to oleum, and we are dissolving this oleum in water and extracting sulfuric acid through this way. Let's talk about the second step, that is the conversion to sulfur trioxide. The sulfur dioxide is then oxidized to sulfur trioxide SO3 using a catalyst, usually vanadium pentaoxide, and its formula is V2O5 at a high temperature around 450 to 500 degrees centigrade and pressure. The next step is sulfur trioxide absorption. The sulfur trioxide is absorbed into 98 to 99% sulfuric acid forming oleum, that is the solution of sulfuric acid in sulfur trioxide, SO3 plus H2SO4 H2S2O7. Dilution to sulfuric acid is our next step. The oleum is then diluted with water to produce concentrated sulfuric acid H2S2O7 plus H2O 2H2SO4. The contact process is favored over other methods of sulfuric acid production due to its efficiency and the relatively low cost of sulfur as a raw material. It's a continuous process, making it suitable for large-scale industrial production. Additionally, the use of catalyst enhanced the reaction rate, allowing for higher production rates. Sulfuric acid is a crucial industrial chemical with application ranging from fertilizers and chemical synthesis to metal processing and battery production. Thus, the contact process plays a significant role in supporting various industry worldwide.